Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, there is a big news which is coming here from Cognizant. Cognizant has finally released or announced the result of round 1 aptitude and technical assessment. Many of the colleges has received this particular list of students right from Cognizant. I am going to give you the complete details, and also you need to please tell in the comment section that if you have got selected, if you have received any list from your college, and for what role, Genc, GencPro or GencNext, right? And also in this video I will tell you how are you going to prepare for the interview. Friends, before that I wanted to tell you, right? So please do like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, friends, because we are really putting a lot of effort, and we want you to please like the video and subscribe to the channel so that any kind of update, either LTI Mindtree is releasing the result or anything, or preparation videos, each and everything, definitely we are doing it for you. So for us, the only motivation is your like, and if you subscribe the channel, then definitely we will be putting more and more effort. Okay, now, so friend, the first thing which we need to understand is, so Cognizant basically is going to hire for 3 different roles, right? So we have Genc. For Genc, the package will be 4 LPA, right? And for GencPro, the package will be 5.4 LPA, and for GencNext, the package will be 6.75 LPA. Okay, now before I proceed, friends, I wanted to tell you, right? So if suppose you are called for GencNext, you clear all the assessment round and interview, but if you do not perform well, then you might be getting GencPro or you might be getting GencNext. There might be also a possibility that you reached till the interview of GencNext and there you did not perform well, so you will be completely rejected, right? So these are the both options which you have to understand. Second thing, friends, so if we'll talk about Genc 4 LPA, right? So you have aptitude, okay, aptitude plus technical, and then you have interview, right? Okay, now if you will talk about GencNext, so here it will be, or GencPro, right? Same thing. So aptitude plus technical round 1 plus technical round 2 and plus you will be having interview. So basically the difference between Genc with GencPro and GencNext, so one technical round will be extra, and that is going to be conducted on 1st of October 2024, right? So this will give you a clarity now. Next, now this is a mail which colleges has received from Cognizant. So Cognizant are telling, we are pleased to provide you with the list of candidates who have cleared the assessment and are eligible for GencNext categories interview. Okay, so GencNext categories interview. Now, these candidates are required to appear for an additional technical assessment scheduled on 1st of October 2024 at 10 AM. It is mandatory to complete the assessment before the interview is scheduled. The interview scheduled will be communicated shortly. So one thing which I would like to tell you, so friends, out of 300 plus students appeared for this Cognizant round, okay, this Cognizant round, they have selected only 13 candidates from this particular college. Okay, so only 13 candidates from this particular college. This is okay. And now here I am not sure if they are going to send a second list of candidate, okay, which will be going for the only Genc interview, right? So this we have to see. If I get the information, I will let you know. Now I would like to know from all of you that if you have got a selection list from your college, then please comment and also tell us your role. So for which role you have received from the college. It is for Genc, GencPro and or GencNext. So this will give us a idea, even I will get idea, and the other student who are also waiting for the results, so they will be also getting a idea, right? So here you can clearly see we are pleased to provide you with the list of candidates who have cleared the assessment and are eligible for Genc category interviews. These candidates are required to appear for an additional technical assessment scheduled on 1st of October. It is mandatory to complete the assessment before the interview is scheduled. The interview scheduled will be commenced shortly. So you can say like within 4th to 5th of October, your interview will be conducted, right? Okay. Only one attempt is allowed and the assessment must be taken through the Metal secure browser. Candidates are requested to download and set up MSB in advance to avoid any issues. Click here to download MSB and perform the system check accordingly. Okay, now, so friends, if you have, right, selected for different role, right? So if you are selected for different role, then I just wanted to tell you, right? So I just wanted to tell you. So these are the interview questions which you need to prepare. And this particular interview questions you can see I have taken from the GFG. Okay. Now, so technical questions in the interviews. Okay. So these were the questions. Those were asked from me. Please introduce yourself. So friends, it is a technical interview or a HR interview. One question which will be common across is introduce yourself. Name and explain any new technology that you have studied recently. Differentiate between traditional and newer storage technique. Real world example of all the OOPS concept. Difference between array and linked list. Cross questioning on the technology that I had mentioned earlier. Explain the concept of deep learning. Explain the key concept of big data storage, Hadoop. In which programming language are you comfortable? Asked 2 to 3 basic questions of C++. Asked me to write a code to check a number is prime or not with list complexity. Asked me to write a code for the given star pattern. Now your HR interview question, introduce yourself. So these are the standard question. Why Cognizant? Asked me about my hometown. Tell me something about your campus life. Tell me something about your hostel life. Any problem from the relocation. So these were the standard question which were asked. One more interview experiences I will share with you. See, this will give you an idea, right? That how you should prepare for the interview, what all questions are important, because once the result is out, you will not have enough time to prepare for it. So who invented Java? What was the name of Java before named Java? Why we need Java as we have C, C++? Explain briefly about Java. What is constructor? What is the use of it? What is a return type of constructor? Explain OOPS concept. Is constant keyword exist in Java? Method overloading and method overriding. So just a minute, I'm getting a call. Okay. And then what are the different types of inheritance? What happens if you don't use a static in main method? Explain normal forms, SQL queries. Write a program for reversing a number, explain it. Those who cleared this round, they were called for the HR round. Tell me about yourself. What did you learn from college apart from the academics? What makes you feel more challenging in the colleges? So these are the types of interview question. Anyway, I will make a separate video for interview if you guys want. Okay. But friends, please do like the video and also subscribe to the channel. We are committed to help you as much as possible. And that's what I am doing, so that small information also I am bringing it in front of you. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. See you soon in the next video of either our hiring or preparation. Till then, please take care of yourself.